meatball. It is another super easy to make dish. I just can't wait to share with you guys. Just like what I said for poke bowl, there's no cooking skills required either. There are so many flavors in this dish, and it is not greasy at all. It's really light. Let's start! First, I'm going to soak the sticky rice with water for about 2 hours. Next, I'm going to prepare the meat. Only egg whites because the egg white will help the meat becomes more tender. Grate some ginger. One tablespoon of cooking oil. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix. Tapioca starch. I will change to chopstick and stir this meat in one direction. Marinate for about 10 minutes. Let's prepare the base for the steamer. Cut bamboo leaves into large pieces and cover the steamer base. This is the rice I pre-soaked for about 2 hours, and I'm going to transfer the rice to this plate. Wow, it smells really good, this rice. The aroma is just super good. It's 10 minutes right now. I'm going to make meatball. Now we're going to transfer the meatball into the steamer. Let's steam. While we're waiting for the meatball to steam, I'm going to chop up some green onion for the garnish. I will only use the green part. Really thinly sliced them. Hi guys, it's about 30 minutes right now. We're going to turn it off. It is hot, be careful. Let's see. Wow, it looks really awesome. Okay, I'm going to bring them to the table. It is super hot. Decorate those meatballs with some green onion. Here's the green onion we just chopped up, and I'm going to decorate them. Wow, it looks fantastic. second layer. It smells super good. I can't wait to eat this. I'm going to get one. It looks really delicate. I'm going to eat this little baby. Let's start. Can't wait. Oh. It's unbelievable. It's super delicious. The rice absorbed the meat juice into themselves, and the meat absorbed the aroma of the rice and also the bamboo leaves. And the ginger also gives this meat a special flavor. You got to try it at home. It's not hard at all. Hope you guys like my video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. This is really good. You gotta try this at home. It's super good and easy. It doesn't require any cooking skill, okay? It doesn't require any cooking skills. You gotta try it at home and try this heaven.